Namaskar. Today I will discuss very interesting topic. Different type of heart lines and your nature. First of all, we must know where heart line is. This is your lifeline and this is your headline and this is your heart line. A crease just below the index finger that runs from the index finger towards the Jupiter mount. This is your heart line. It indicates your nature, your love. It indicates your attitude towards others. What type of natures you are having with different types of the heart line. First type is if your heart lines goes from the base of the palm, your heart line is like this. Your heart line is having connection with the Jupiter mount. It means you are Jupiterian in nature. You are very kind. You are the man of character. You have got highly ambitions and you try to achieve your goal. You remain successful in achieving your goal. If it turns downward, then it is not a good. You remain failure in achieving your goal. Next its form is, it goes to the state, goes to the base of the palm. These conditions make you the over ambitious. You may become arrogance in nature and this may not be so good. You are very highly ambitious. So it makes you greedy. So it may not be good for you. Next type of heart line that ends in between the Jupiter and Saturn mount. Like this. When your heart lines ends between Jupiter and Saturn mount, this type of heart line is not good. It has the effect of Jupiter and Saturn. So these type of natives, they remain confused. There are many failures in their life. They remain introvert in nature and they remain annoyed in nature. Next type of heart line is when it divides the Saturn mounts and the Jupiter mount, like this. When it divides Jupiter mount and the Saturn mount, this is very, very excellent heart line. This is the bend of the west line in your spine. The type of native, they have balance between their love and spirituality. They contribute a lot in the society. They are very excellent performer. They are very emotional. They serve for the country and they have the balance between their spirituality and their love. They are very ideal persons. They are very sincere to their wives because they have more sexuality. In spite of that, they are very social and they remain loyal to their partner. Next type of heart line is when it reaches up to saturation mount. When it reaches up to the saturation mount, this type of heart lines is not good. People with this type, they are very greedy, they are very selfish. They think about their own, how to manipulate the peoples. They have sensuality more sexuals. Character for them is no guarantee. They are very useful and money-minded persons. Next type of heart line when it reaches up to the sun mount. This is small and reaches up to the sun. This type of sun line is, this type of heart line is not good. They always are cheated by their love. They are somewhat confused type of peoples. They have no emotions, no more feelings towards other. They are very selfish. They are very cunning type of peoples. Next type, when this type of heart line that reaches very small, the type of people, they are always betrayed. They are very nervous. They have no emotions. They have no feelings. If your heart line is closer to the headline, if your heart line is closer to the headlines, it indicates you are very intelligent. There is very good coordinations between the heart and the head. You are very intelligent and you can become IAS officer. You see the palm of your baby. If it is too much away from the headlines, it means there is lack of intelligence. If there is gap in our islands or cross in the heart lines, this is not a good sign. It indicates your heart will be in troubles, your feeling will be hurt. So this type of, you must see the nature. If there are downward natures, they are negative signs. If there are upward branches, they say progress in nature. So heart line is your mirror to see the nature. I hope you will be enjoying my video. Please watch up to the end to enjoy this topic. Thanks. God bless you all.